Alright, my correct people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Sharply make I give you the headline of the cocoa I bring come for you. One chieftain of the NNPP in order to tell our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu say no worker will go fit survive on 48,000 naira minimum wage. No be small matter, my correct people. Meanwhile, the other cocoa I bring come for you, the headline be say G60 lawmakers they don dey yarn say mass resignation of commissioners dey show say Wike true hijack Rivers State government. I know say I no go like one make I waste time concerning the details of this informate to I bring come for you, so sharply make I dive into the matter properly. A chieftain of the new Nigeria People's Party NNPP, in name na Ambassador Olufemi Ajadi, he don dey yarn give our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu say e no get any worker wey go fit survive with the 48,000 naira minimum wage wey the federal government just propose. So now, based on information we gather, my correct people come find out say the meeting between the federal government and the labor unions e no end well, my correct person, e no end well at all. The party scatter as the federal government come propose 48,000 naira as the new minimum wage. Now, Ambassador Ajadi, the thing shock this man well. He come dey express in dismay, he dey express in disbelief sake of the 48,000 naira where the federal government dey introduce so as the new minimum wage. Now, the NNPP chieftain wey be Ambassador Ajadi, for inside one statement like that wey he come make available to tori people on Thursday, he come dey yarn say the meeting of negotiation of the new minimum wage between the government and the organized labour say him follow am with keen interest. He say the government now dey no even consider the current reality before they come dey arrive at the 48,000 naira o. So they no even check out how things dey be for inside the country Nigeria. They just come outside come dey yarn say 48,000 naira is the new minimum wage. Everybody should know this and know peace. Omoye, even Ambassador Ajadi, he no agree with the decision wey the federal government dey make. Now make him come outside come dey yarn o. Him come even dey talk say him dey support the labour unions dem as dem take reject the proposal of the federal government. You understand? He say the proposed 48,000 naira minimum wage now e dey unrealistic in the present day Nigeria wey be say petrol na above 700 naira per litre for some kind filling stations like this, and na for only for NNPC filling station na they go fit sell 580. And if you go NNPC filling station, the kind queue wey you go sit there, you go buy see na queue of people wey wan follow happy and wait take enter inside heaven, and e no make sense at all. So when you look at the prices of commodity for inside market, especially food stuff, he say e go dey unrealistic for an average worker to eat, not to talk about sending their children to school with 48,000 naira monthly. And he consider yarn my correct people say in dey agree with 100% say e get so many dead woods waiting for inside the civil service. That is to say people go just come work but e no get anything wey they do. So maybe the government now supposed to consider the idea of paying workers per working hour, so that those people now wey dey work genuinely and then go come dey carry ogbonge money dey go house per month. So in dey plead with the federal government say make dem consider the survival of Nigerian workers and make dem jack up the minimum wage. So make dem increase am. Say even states like Edo, they don on their own now increase the minimum wage to 70,000. And no be lie, my correct people, for inside Edo State, as Godwin Obaseki increase minimum wage to 70k for workers, the kind joy wey workers dey get, they come celebrate, they come dey thank the man plenty. The man own chuchu e no go spoil at all. But during that period, some people come dey yarn say say na working strategy, say the man he no do am because he want make a candidate for inside the PDP win for inside the governorship election wey go shele for inside the month of September this year 2024. But my correct people, make we touch this matter properly. Go see and say the 70k wey workers dey receive for inside Edo State e be like la vida local compared to the 48k and the other minimum wage wey other states dey receive. So my correct people, you see Ambassador Ajadi, this increment wey Godwin Obaseki do now for inside Edo State, now why in dey agree with the decision of labour to reject the 48,000 naira, but instead of the labour now to just work out on the negotiation meetings as dem take do so wey no make sense, therefore just reject the government proposal, but they supposed to continue the negotiation. And e come still yarn normal correct people say e still dey unrealistic if the labour come agree on anything less than 200,000 naira. So the money is supposed to dey higher than that, and wetin im just want na say make dem come state and explain to the government delegation why no worker go fit survive on 48,000 naira minimum wage. So na so the matter be like, my correct people, and no be lie wey this man talk. The lifestyle e cost now for inside the country Nigeria, only fuel alone before you go come dey pay transport dey go your working place, you go spend money, don be stupid, you understand? And before you come start to dey chop, and we never even talk about school fees o. So the thing just dey too much. So that 48k now wey the government dey propose, e no too true make sense at all o. So e go better if the federal government dey recheck this thing o, make dem touchlight am properly, make dem see am say e no true make sense, because na dem start am, na dem remove fuel subsidy, na dem remove electricity subsidy, na dem implement some kind tax wey come later choke. So make dem no even try am say dey wan come dey vex when countrymen begin dey complain, dey cry say the 48k no reach, because na dem true start am. But my correct people, anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Moving on to the next koko wey I bring come for you. You know say the opposition federal lawmakers under the axis of G60, they don dey yarn say the mass resignation of commissioners from the cabinet of Rivers State Governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, say na evidence o say the past governor of the state wey be Wike, im dey true hijack the state government and im resources. And my correct people, you know say report don dey ground now say for inside the Rivers State, commissioners for education and housing wey be Professor Tinubu and Gift Wolo, na on Wednesday now they come resign from Fubara cabinet. They talk say the environment now e dey toxic, they no fit work again, na make dem come comot. And as e be like that, the governor of Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara, he come outside dey yarn say lie, say nothing like that, say na dem know why they dey run. And my correct people, those two now wey don comot, so dem dey loyal to the minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Wike. So true something fishy is going on. And I be don give you report now before these two people now withdraw. So two other lawmakers wey dey loyal to Wike, wey be the former Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice wey be Professor Zaccheaus Adango, and the former Commissioner for Finance wey be Isaac Kamalo, they will don resign too from Fubara government o. Now reacting to the development based on how they just dey comot body now from Siminalayi Fubara government, the G60 lawmakers dey come dey yarn for inside their statement by their spokesperson wey be Ikenga Imo Ugochinyere. He say this fight now, this Wike fight, na about desperation to maintain and hold on to the public purse and organs of the state government. That is to say, it is all about the money. Even the federal lawmakers sef don confirm am say Wike im be no dey fight for good governance o. The lawmakers come still yarn say those people now wey dey loyal to Wike, say all of them dey delusional and they dey lie about why dem resign from their current workspace, as they claim say the environment come dey toxic. The lawmakers dey come still slam the FCT minister wey be Wike o. They dey describe im betrayal and a battle with im party wey be the People's Democratic Party as 100% selfish interest. They say Wike wan be treat the Rivers State as personal affair with delusions of grandeur and ferocious sense of entitlement. But as Governor Fubara come now, he come prove to am say him dey all about improving lives, and this na the main purpose of governance. No be small matter o, my correct people. Na here the lawmakers come let us know on one secret like that wey many people fit no get idea about o. They come dey yarn dey give the public o say since Wike lost the presidential primary of the PDP for inside the year 2022, and he come lose for inside the selection of the running mate for the presidential candidate of the party wey be Atiku Abubakar, say since that time Wike don dey hell bent on seeing the party messed up, so they come dey go associate with questionable political characters like that just to survive against all the pretentious democratic grandstanding of his years of being in power. But the lawmakers now come dey assure country people say Wike plan e go fail, say im plan e no go come to pass at all, and they come still dey urge Governor Fubara say make him continue in good leadership for inside the state and make him ignore the people wey dey lack the moral capacity to even work with himself, because if not for the alleged imposition of the appointees, some of them no even qualify to be village union chairmen. So na so the koko be like, my correct people. Anyhow it be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, we all dey like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, then you go first get the update and you go get them sharp. And I beg make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside the country in Nigeria. And they bring on that update for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.